Welcome to the pinnacle of opulence. We're taking you inside the world's most luxurious $101 million penthouse. Situated high above the iconic Dubai skyline, this home offers a lifestyle beyond imagination. With interiors crafted like a masterpiece and views that capture every heart, this isn't just a residence. Subscribe now to explore all the incredible nooks and lavish corners of this stunning property. Picture waking up to breathtaking panoramic views of the Dubai Marina and the serene sea. This home is filled with artistic touches like hand-painted walls and world-class designer furniture. Gorgeous double-height ceilings flood the space with light, creating a sanctuary of peace and luxury. The architectural elegance is impeccable, with materials sourced from around the globe. From a cozy family room to a state-of-the-art cinema, every corner of this penthouse captivates. The master bedroom, adorned with luxurious textures, opens onto a private terrace with unimaginable views. And let's not forget the rooftop, a private oasis with a pool, gym, and sauna awaiting the lucky resident. Indulge in the sunrise over the Burj Al Arab, followed by sunsets behind the Dubai skyline. Ready to win a piece of paradise? Challenge yourself with unprecedented luxury and beauty. Dive deep into where the finest in architecture meets the most extravagant lifestyle. Experience Dubai like never before, where every detail is a work of art. Your ultimate dream home awaits in the heart of luxury. This is the essence of world-class living. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for your front row seat to luxury living. Stay tuned for more spectacular tours and exclusive experiences right here. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you at the next magnificent property.